Greg,
Oscar, Antonio,
Tim, and together we are
G.O.A.T.S.
Tim, Greg, Oscar, tell your brother I'm headed out to make plans for his birthday later on. Whatever you do not mess up anything. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. No problem. Isn't that right?
Yeah, that wasn't very realistic. But what was I supposed to tell her? No?
Antonio! Mom left this fix something for your party.
I'll be in my room and I'll call something. If you need, try to follow me, Oscar.
Hey, Oscar. Catch!
Whoa. You not just listen to a thing Mom just said? Can't miss anything, hold on.
Well, you don't have to worry about messing anything up if you catch it. Yeah, man. Just catch the ball.
Can I catch? Man, if I wanted to, I could be a pro receiver.
So have you ever played football before?
No, that doesn't mean I'm not good. Throw it.
Oscar! What did you do to my pizza?
You want to get me? Yo, who's them two?
Man, that's what I'm calling. Mom, they ruined my pizza.
They did what now? I'm coming home right now.
Man, that's why Mom's coming home right now.
Okay, maybe that was my bad. But who expects for pizzas to be on the counter and not get damaged?
Man, they ruined my pizza. Why? Man, I'm done with this show and my brothers.
Oh my god, what are we gonna do? At this moment, he just messed up.
Greg, this is not the time for sound effects.
My bad. Excuse me for trying to lighten up the mood.
So does anybody know about what kind of pizza combination they had in there?
I know, they had one of each combination.
Okay, and I know that the Pete's Pizza app allows you to have combinations of 2 meat, 2 vegetable, and 1 meat and 1 vegetable.
So how many combinations is that? I know.
We'll start with a 2 vegetable combination. Let's make 1 dot for each vegetable. We can draw a line to connect the vegetable represent combination. We'll end up having 6 combinations. We can do the same thing for 2 meat combinations and a vegetable meat combination. We'll end up have 21 in total.
I guess that makes sense, but does anyone have another way to solve it?
Maybe if I just stay quiet, they won't ask me anything about the math.
Wait, what? You don't think my math skills?
Well, we all have faith in Oscar's catching ability, and look where we are now.
You didn't have to go there, bro. That wasn't even necessary. I know a second way. We could use the formula for combinatorics, which the formula is n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. And the reason we use this formula is because we're doing a combination, not to be confused with a permutation, because in this case, our order does not matter. So, when we get into the problem, we'll go ahead and plug in our n value, which the n value is the amount of total options that you have. And we know that we have 4 vegetables and 3 meat, which will result in 7 total objects that we're making combinations out of. And then your r value would be equal to the amount of objects that are in each combination, which in our case, we only have 2 objects in each combination. So once we plug that in, we'll have 7 factorial over 2 factorial times 7 minus 2 factorial, which you know 7 minus 2 is just 5. So then when we write all of that out, we get 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then once we write down our bottom half of this fraction, we will get 2 times 1 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. But instead of just doing all this multiplication, we can just go ahead and we can cancel things out. So we can cancel out 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, and that'll be it for our canceling out. So then we'll end up having 7 times 6 over 2, which we know 7 times 6 is just 42. And when you divide that by 2, you'll get 21 total combinations.
So you mean to tell me we did all this just to get the same answer?
That doesn't matter. Let's just order the pieces.
Oh, well that was a fast delivery. Let's go.
Here's your pizza.
Oh, it's all right.
Yeah, no problem.
No.
Get it! Yes. Don't put it on that counter either.
Put it right
I want
here.
it right here.
I see the pizza's fine. I guess I didn't have to order a new one.